to the How to Use Yoast SEO tutorial. Today, you'll learn how to search engine optimize your website with Yoast SEO. To start search engine optimizing your pages, log into your website's backend. Navigate to the page you'd like to search engine optimize and click on Edit with Elementor. Now that you're editing the page via Elementor, click on the hamburger menu on the top right corner of the screen. Click on Yoast SEO from the menu. Click on the Yoast SEO tab to search engine optimize your content. You can also view previews of what it would appear like on platforms from here. You've now learned how to use Yoast SEO. Good luck with search engine optimizing your website.